It might be final time to leave Discord. You probably heard about the Discord drama. They will require you to verify your age with your ID, which then they will delete. Now, how can you leak deleted IDs? 70,000 at that is above my knowledge, so don't ask. But of course, nobody trusts Discord anymore after their stunts. Discord alternatives as a research term skyrocketed on Google Trends, but let me tell you, if you are looking for a real Discord alternative, this is the video you need. I'm not gonna yap about stuff like Matrix, which has nothing to do with being a Discord alternative, even though hardcore Matrix users want you to believe. There are only two one-on-one Discord alternatives I could find: Stoat, formerly Revolt, and Fluxer. Now, Stoat in my eyes can compare with Discord right now, as they are missing basic features like video calls and screen sharing. The development also seems quite slow, as they only work off donations. I still wish them luck, but in this video I will be talking about Fluxer. If you have your Discord muscle memory, you will love Fluxer's UI. It's just Discords basically, with a few more extras like favorites and bookmarks. It does miss some smaller features still, but I like that it also adds some new ones like these. Performance wise, the desktop client actually runs better than Discord's. Currently there is no official mobile app, but you can download the website as a progressive web app from your browser. Sometimes the servers are down for now because of the sudden success, but the dev is on it, and yes, currently only one person is developing this. He started about 3 years ago. This project is based in the EU, so some serious laws protect your privacy on this platform. However, you are also able to self-host an instance of Fluxer if you want the best performance, privacy, and the premium features for free. Plus the server costs, of course. And yes, Fluxer also has a premium tier, which can be a letdown or a let up if you are looking at it from a developer perspective. Hosting a platform like this can cost a lot. It's nice to know that Fluxer has a straightforward income. This is called Plutonium, and it gives similar stuff to Nitro, but at only 5 euros a month. Now that's a more realistic price looking at you, Discord. But there are also 1000 available visionary tiers, which will grant you lifetime access to Plutonium, plus more. It is 300 euros though, so it's a gamble, but it's great that the option is there. For the developers out there, if you made a Discord bot before, Fluxer states that the Discord API and the Fluxer API are almost identical, so porting bots over shouldn't be a big hassle. The API documentation is still in the works, so heads up for that. This video is intended to be more of a free shoutout for this promising platform. I might do a more in-depth review in the future. If it grabbed your attention, check out the website. You can find it in the description. Thank you so much for your attention, and see you on Fluxer. Bye!